Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Aziz, matrix number 213102. Today I will be discussing the topic about dimensional analysis. So, what is dimensional analysis? Dimensional analysis is the use of a set of units to establish the form of an equation, or more often, to check that the answer to a calculation is occurred against many simple errors. So, learning objective of dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is to determine whether equations are dimensionally homogeneous, and it also to check the unit of a solution they have reached and verify that the unit are correct or not, and use dimensional analysis to determine the appropriate unit of an unknown quantity in an equation. The last objective is to apply dimensional analysis to predict formulas which connect particular variable in given circumstance. So, what is important of dimensional analysis? So, the first important of dimensional analysis is very important in determining a systematic arrangement of the variable in the physical relationship. The second importance of dimensional analysis is combining dimensional variable to form non-dimensional parameters. So, this sample formula of dimension. You can see physical quantity of area, density, acceleration, momentum, force, work, power, and so on. So let's continue with example application of dimensional analysis. So the question is, check whether the given equation is dimensionally correct or not. So, W equal to 1 over 2 mv the power of 2 minus mgh, where W stand for work done, m is mass, g stand for gravity, v for velocity, and h for height. To check the above equation as dimensionally correct, first we write dimension of all the physical quantities mentioned in the equation. For work done, the formula of work done is force times with displacement. So, for dimension for force is mLT, the power of -2, times with the dimension of displacement, which is L. So, we got mL, the power of 2T, the power of -2. So, next, we move on to the kinetic energy. So the formula of kinetic energy is 1 over 2 mv to the power of 2. So we substitute all the value and we got the same answer like words, which is ml the power of 2 times with t the power of -2. So for the last equation, which is for potential energy. For potential energy, we times mass times with gravity and times with height. So for mass, dimension of mass is m times to the dimension of gravity times to the dimension of h. So we got the same answer like kinetic energy and work done, which is ml the power of 2 times with t to the power of -2. Since all the dimensions on left and right sides are equal, it is dimensionally correct equation. So, next slide. Limitation of dimensional analysis. Some major limitation of dimensional analysis are dimensional analysis cannot be used to derive trigonometric, exponential, and logarithm function. Next, it also does not provide information about a scalar or vector identity physically quantity. So this reference, and that's all for me. Thank you.